Christmas, everybody! It is Christmas morning, and actually it's almost noon now, and we're finally here to reveal day 25. As you can see, no makeup or anything because this is what glasses are for, and pajamas are for, and ears are for, and my dog as a hand warmer are for. Okay, let's see what the 25th is. May this be the best present under the tree. Ah! It is Goofy. Come on out. What the heck? Oh my god, this is hilarious, you guys. Oh my god, look at him. Goofy is a Christmas tree. He's wearing a Christmas tree outfit. Oh, look at his shoes are even brown like the tree trunk. Oh my goodness. This is so funny. He is Goofy till the max. Even though I thought he was gonna be Santa Claus, but hey, Christmas tree is great too. But they should have put somebody as a present, right? But this is a present. Thank you, Disney, for doing this amazing, wonderful 25 days of surprise zooms. It's been great of me suffering to figure out what their names are. And somebody suggests that I should review everything of what their names are. And I don't think that's a good idea in the morning, but let's try that. Okay, we have everybody here. We just got Goofy. Let's make this quick so it's not going to be a 30 minutes video. The Mickey. Okay. Dale and the snowman. This was my favorite because I wasn't expecting him to be a stupid snowman. And then we have the Pocahontas collection. Miko. Right? And then Flint. So adorable. I think his name, I believe, was Percy. Okay, that's the first row. And then I'll have Daisy. Daisy here. Okay. And then the farm animal friends, which this is, I think his name was Horse Collar. Horse Collar, yes. Okay. And then his girlfriend, the cow, Clarabelle Horse Collar. And then their friend, the chicken, Clara Cluck. And then Minnie, right here. Okay, the third row is we have the Yeti Stitch. Wait. Oh shit. Actually, Angel comes first. Sorry guys. Angel comes first with a gap tooth Yeti. Okay. And then we have the Bolt collection. Ding ding ding. So I found out they have Bolt before, but it's in Japan's Christmas or the 25th calendar or 25th anniversary box. They have Bolt collection, and we have little ornament rhino here. I'm just put it on the tree now because he's an ornament. Okay, cool. And then we have Mittens. And then the last one of the third row was Pluto in the polar bear outfit. And then we have Yeti Stitch. And then we have the Robin Hood collection. Robin Hood himself. He's from Lil Jon, you know. And then Maid Marian here. That's one collection, and at the end of the week we had, or the row we had, Figaro from Pinocchio. And then the last row we found the stale, these two snowmen finally together after 3 rows right here. And then we have the 3 Caballeros collection, Donald, Jose, and then something pistol. Oh, Panchito pistol. Come on, I just did it yesterday. Alright. These 3 Caballeros. And then the last one today was Goofy! Christmas tree Goofy! Alright, I hope you guys enjoy your happy holidays and fun time with the family, and have fun with all of these guys if you have them. They are adorable. Alright, happy holidays, bye!